Hi guys, I am going to explain current affairs 2020. Myself Shiva. Haloarchaea. Haloarchaea is a microbe. According to study of Pune-based Luna Lake, in Maharashtra, Buldhana district, turns into pink in June 2020 due to large presence of salt-loving Haloarchaea microbes. 5 Rafale jet fighters landed in Ambala district, Haryana. 4.5 generation Rafale jets, double the speed of sound, and top speed is 1.8 Mach. 1 Mach equal to 1234.8 km per hour. 1.8 Mach equal to 2222.64 km per hour. Multi-role capabilities and including electronic warfare, air defense, ground support, in-depth strikes. Rafale lends air support superiority to the Indian Air Force. Why India wants Rafale? It can be used to perform ground sea attacks, reconnaissance, high accuracy strikes, and nuclear strikes defense. Scalp and Mica hammer are the three warfares presently in using these Rafale jets. Scalp means air to ground, cruise missile that sent to air to ground, and Mica means air to air strikes. Hammer means precision guided missiles that produced by the Rafale, which are imported from French. We are imported from this Rafale jets. ITER, International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, is a massive truly massive International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor is the world's largest experimental fusion facility located in France. This was located in France, and it was truly massive form of energy produced by this ITER. It was used hydrogen fusion controlled by superconducting magnets to produce massive heat energy. ITER is a project which was funded by the seven members entities: European Union, China, India, Japan, Russia, South Korea, and United States. Significance is industrial scale fusion reactor, which will eliminate the way to produce clean, cheap, eco-friendly energy. It will start generating molten mass of electricity charged gas, which is plasma. ITER designed to create a plasma of 500 megawatts for around 20 minutes. Okay, nuclear fission is powers the powers energy which powers the sun. Atoms of tritium and deuterium, isotopes of hydrogen 3, hydrogen 2 respectively, under extreme pressure and temperature to produce neutron and helium isotopes. Along with this enormous energy which is produced in sun. Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative, world against the trafficking in persons, being observed on July 30, 2020. The day observed on this day observed that for the first time 2030. Objective is raise awareness about the condition of victims of human trafficking and to protect their rights. The main objective is to protect their rights and human rights of the trafficking humans. Commonwealth Human Rights Initiative is a independent and non-profit, non-partisan international non-government organization. Presently, it's in Nizam headquarters in New Delhi. Okay. Defamation. Defamation is opposition of fame, famous. If you famous, a comment will defame you. That means defamation is a communication of a false statement that harms the reputation of individual person, business, product, group, government, religion, or nation. In India, defamation can be civil wrong or criminal offense. The difference between the two lies object they seek to achieve. A civil wrong tend to provide a redress of wrongs by having compensation, and a criminal law seeks to punish a wrongdoer and send a message to others not to commit such acts. Defamation laws are section 499 also. Section 499 expresses the defamation penalties. 499 also expresses the, which are exception from the defamation, and IPC section 500 leads to whoever defames shall punish simple imprisonment and 10 to 2 years, extend than 2 years, and with a fine with both. Bro refugee crisis. Bro refugee crisis are presently in Tripura. Solution was came in Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Assam. The Brus are referred as Riangs and spread across the northeastern states in Tripura, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram. In Tripura, they recognized particularly vulnerable tribal group. In Mizoram, they have been targeted by the groups that do not consider them indigenous to the state. Center gave a solution, permanent solution for these Bru refugees. Government of Tripura and Mizoram Bru Riangs representative to end of 23 years Bru Riangs refugee crisis. Important points of these solution given by the union government is give land to reside in Tripura, fixed deposit of 4 lakh per 2 years, and of displaced each of these displaced families will be given 30 square feet residential plots and 5,000 cash per month for 2 years. Residential free ration for 2 years, 1.5 lakh rupees to build their houses. Galapagos Islands in the Ecuador, due to appearance of Chinese fishing boats of its Galapagos Islands. Islands are in Pacific Oceans, administratively provinced by the Ecuador. Islands are formed at the meeting point of 3 tectonic plates, that is Nazca, Cocos, and Pacific. There are large number of endemic species such as land iguana and giant tortoise. Chinese fishing ships are frequently comes into Ecuador waters during August month. Solid waste in Yamuna River. National Green Tribunal wants imposing environmental compensation on the Uttar Pradesh government because of the solid waste, and so much of ecosystem is damaged. Architecture of Ayodhya Ram Mandir. Nagara style of architecture was proposed for the Ayodhya's Ram Mandir. What are the basic form of Nagara Hindu temples contain? Basic form of Hindu temples contains Garbhagruha, Mandapa, Shikhara, Vahana. Garbhagruha, Shikhara, Vahana. Those are the forms of Hindu temple which contains compulsory there should be Garbhagriha, small room where the principal deities reside. Mandapa, a hall type structure. Shikhara, a mountain type structure. And the Vahana is a vehicle of main deity, placed generally in the line of side from the Garbhagriha. Vahana, here, this type Vahana. Okay. Mm, then thanks for watching. Have a great day.